Alright guys, so I started the truck because we're gonna go do a burnout. Alright guys, so we're gonna be doing a burnout in the truck. Just want to get a little walk around. I know it's dirty as hell. It's been windy and haven't got a chance to wash it. But I'm taking these tires off because those are racing tires, Mickey Thompson. So I'm gonna put some street tires I've been having for a while that I had before I had the turbo kit. So we're gonna burn those up. Why not, right? And these are the tires right here. Like I said, they're street tires. I have no more use for them. I can't use them on the truck. The truck's too powerful for these. So hey, let's burn them up so we could slide these on real quick one last time. Alright guys, we're gonna torque our lug nuts to 140 pounds. A lot of people don't do this and they over tighten them and then they break their... Oh, happened to me before. Well, this is how it's gonna look for now. Well, just until the burnout. I actually really like those wheels because they're powder coated black. Well, let's get the show on the road. I just did that massive burnout. That shit was insane. Woo! Once I got my heart racing. We gotta get out of the spot because someone pulled up on us, and I don't know. I don't know if they were waving us down to say how cool it was or waving us down to get the fuck out. But we're not risking it. We're just gonna leave. But that was badass.